Oh, so excited.
Could never hold me down, lost love. Sweeter when it's finally found. I got the strangest feeling. This isn't our first time around. Past lives, but never come between.